How to install Microsoft Store in Windows 10. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how we can install the Microsoft Store in Windows 10. So if you're also wondering and you want to install the Microsoft Store in Windows 10, these are the processes you may follow up and you should be able to download the Microsoft Store in your Windows 10. So for that, you can open up your desktop, laptop, and then go to the search bar and type in PowerShell there. Just go ahead and type in that. And once this appears, go ahead and run it as an administrator. Run the PowerShell as administrator. Once that is done, this will appear on your screen. So here under this section, what you're going to do is simply type in the prompt that I will be showing on my screen right now. You can find this prompt right in the description. You can just go ahead and copy and paste it from there. And then once that is pasted here, just go ahead and hit enter and it will start installing the Microsoft Store in your Windows 10. So once it's started, once it has been downloaded, you can just go ahead and restart your device or you can just go ahead and search for Microsoft Store in the search bar and you should be able to find Microsoft Store and install it just like that in your Windows 10, following up this method for now. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.